Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Kia Sportage. The first thing we need to do is make sure that Bluetooth is switched on like so, then we're watching out at the bottom. Now over here we can do it one of two ways. If you just click on the telephone button, it will ask you if you want to add new, but just to get used to the menu, if you click on the settings button here, that brings up that. You've got navigation, sound, display, Bluetooth system, Wi-Fi. Click on Bluetooth. Paired devices, paired device, no Bluetooth device paired. Would you like to pair a new device? Yes. Check the Bluetooth passkey. Now it says 4 noughts there, but it'll generate, when I click this, it will generate a random PIN code. There you go. So we click pair, auto pairing, allow, connecting to the device. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro has been connected. So that's that done.